Hi, this is Matt from HazSim. In this video, we're going to show you how to build a custom meter from the web portal. The first way to build a new instrument will be to copy an existing default instrument and then modify it. First, we're going to click on Meters, which will bring us to our default meter list. For this example, I'm going to select my Draeger XM8000 with a PA. Then I want to copy it. Once copied, I'm going to change the name. In this example, we're going to make it a straight 4-gas. Then I'm going to delete the PID sensor. And I'll be able to reorganize my sensor using the icon on the left. Click Save and Exit. And you will see the new XM8000 4-gas. The next method to create a new meter will be to utilize the default sensor already preloaded in your HazSim system. To do so, you're going to start by clicking the plus sign in the top right corner. Then you're going to select the skin, which is basically the face of the meter on the handle. In this example, we're going to name the meter Draeger XM3500. Then you want to hit the plus sign on the right hand side of the sensor window. From the drop down list, you will select sensors to build your 4-gas meter. Each default sensor is identified by the gas detected and also by the range. For the default sensor, you will not be able to modify the basic details. However, you'll be able to change the range of the sensor and the alarm set point to match those in your AHG. Again, you want to save and exit, and you will find the new Draeger XM3500 4-gas in your meter list. The third method to create a new meter is going to be to basically building from scratch. So to start, we're going to hit the plus sign. Then we're going to select the skin. For this example, I'm going to use the HazSim Digital. And I'm going to name it. So let's call it Phosphine Single Gas. So instead of selecting one of the default sensor, I'm going to click Customize Sensor. I'm going to name the sensor Phosphine. Next, we're going to start filling out the basic detail for this sensor. Label is going to be what's going to appear on the screen of the handheld. Then we're going to select the type of scale. So for a regular multi-gas meter, it's going to be a standard. If we are building a chemical warfare detector, we're going to select the bar. And for radiation detector, we can select either exponential or calculated. The unit in this case will be part per million. Precision will be 2. That means that we're going to have 2 decimal numbers. We don't want the sensor to bounce, therefore the bounce and bounce interval are going to be set at 0. The increment and jump increment value are going to be the value by how much you're going to increase or decrease that sensor. The range is going to be from 0 to 10 parts per million with a norm value of 0. The norm value is basically your background value. So for toxic gas like this, we're going to set up at 0. For oxygen, it will be either 20.8 or 20.9%. You have 3 alarm set points. The low alarm, which is optional, is for a sensor like the oxygen sensor where you have an alarm value below the norm. Alarm 1 and 2 are to be set above the norm value. Again, you want to save and exit. Then you will see the new phosphine single gas detector we just built. These are the 3 methods to build a custom meter. Thank you for watching.